Have you ever noticed that as you grow older, your body no longer needs many things, it simply needs the right ones. At the right time, not stronger medication, nor more complicated methods, but sometimes, just a small corner of a garden, a place where you can slow down, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. But what truly matters is this. Not every plant brings a sense of healing. Some are simply beautiful. Some are only meant to be eaten. Yet there are also those which, if chosen well, can help you sleep more deeply, keep your heart steadier, and make your body feel lighter in a very natural way. So, in this video, I won't be talking about a wide range of plants. Instead, I'll focus on just 9 that are genuinely suitable for older adults, easy to grow in small spaces, yet capable of having a clear impact on your health, from sleep and cardiovascular balance to the nervous system. And you may be surprised, because among them are some very familiar plants, ones you may have seen many times, but never quite looked at in this way. 1. Spinach. If there is one plant that is both easy to grow and capable of influencing multiple systems in the body in a quiet yet lasting way, then spinach is certainly one of the most worthwhile choices. Its first benefit lies in the blood. The iron and folate it contains help the body maintain a steady production of red blood cells, thereby easing the lingering fatigue that many people often assume is simply a result of aging. Next comes the cardiovascular system. The natural nitrates found in spinach support the dilation of blood vessels and improve circulation. When blood flows more efficiently, the heart works under less strain, and you may begin to notice a sense of lightness in your body, particularly during movement or after meals. Yet its deeper value lies in its antioxidant properties. Spinach contains lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C compounds that help protect cells from the aging process, while also supporting vision and slowing the body's natural decline over time. In addition, the magnesium in spinach helps the nervous system relax, easing mild tension and improving sleep quality in a very natural way, not forceful, but steady and enduring. When all of these elements come together, you begin to realize spinach is not merely a vegetable, but a gentle and sustainable foundation for healing, one that begins with the simplest habits of daily life. 2. Kale. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables, particularly well-suited to the health needs that come with age. It is rich in vitamin K, which helps support strong bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, an issue many people begin to face over time. At the same time, its powerful antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and flavonoids, help protect cells from damage, thereby contributing to a slower aging process. One of the most notable benefits of kale is its natural anti-inflammatory effect. The compounds it contains help reduce inflammation within the body, a root cause of many conditions, including joint pain, cardiovascular issues, and general functional decline. When inflammation is kept under control, you may begin to feel a greater sense of ease in both movement and daily activities. In addition, kale helps lower harmful cholesterol, supporting heart health and maintaining a more stable circulatory system. This is an essential factor in sustaining long-term well-being without excessive reliance on medication. Despite its high nutritional value, kale is relatively easy to grow. It adapts well to small spaces, can be cultivated in pots, tolerates cooler temperatures, and allows for multiple harvests. When used regularly in meals from salads and light stir-fries to smoothies, kale becomes more than just a food, but a conscious way to care for your body each day. 3. Mustard greens. If kale is centered on strengthening and protection, then mustard greens bring a very different kind of effect, one that activates and cleanses the body from within. This is a vegetable with a mildly pungent, slightly sharp taste, and it is precisely this characteristic that gives it its healing value. Its most notable quality lies in its support for the liver. The glucosinolate compounds found in mustard greens help activate natural detoxifying enzymes, thereby assisting the body in eliminating substances that have built up over time. This becomes particularly important when you often feel heavy, experience poor digestion, or carry a lingering fatigue without a clear cause. In addition, mustard greens help stimulate digestion. Their gentle pungency encourages the release of digestive fluids, allowing food to be processed and absorbed more efficiently. When the digestive system functions smoothly, the body begins to feel lighter, free from the sluggishness that often follows a meal. Beyond this, the presence of vitamins A, C, and K contributes to stronger immunity, supports eye health, and helps maintain bone strength. These are all essential elements as the body enters a stage where long-term stability becomes increasingly important. What sets mustard greens apart is that they are not as gentle as the previous vegetables. They act more like a form of activation, helping the body begin to function more effectively from within. And when combined with spinach and kale, a clear balance emerges. One nourishes, one protects, and one helps cleanse. 4 chives. Chives are not the kind of vegetable that bring about immediate, noticeable change, yet they help the body maintain long-term stability, especially as it becomes more sensitive over time. Their most notable quality lies in their support for the immune system. Chives contain natural sulfur compounds similar to those found in onions and garlic, which help strengthen the body's defenses and reduce the risk of mild infections. For older adults, this is not an effect that appears instantly, but rather a fundamental layer that helps keep the body steady each day. Beyond that, chives also support cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation and helping to reduce harmful cholesterol. When circulation is more efficient, the body tends to feel lighter, with less heaviness, particularly noticeable in the morning or after meals. A less recognized benefit is their contribution to bone health. Thanks to their vitamin K content, while not as potent as kale, regular use helps maintain a solid foundation for bone strength over time. The greatest value of chives lies in their simplicity. They can be grown easily in small pots, harvested continuously, and require very little care. And it is precisely this daily repetition that creates a form of sustainable healing quiet, yet consistently present. When placed alongside the other vegetables, a clear balance begins to emerge. Some nourish, some cleanse, and some quietly keep everything functioning in harmony. 5. Beetroot. If the previous vegetables help stabilize and cleanse the body, then beetroot brings a more distinct effect, enhancing blood circulation and nourishing the heart at its core. What makes beetroot unique is its high content of natural nitrates. Once in the body, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce the strain on the heart. This not only supports more stable blood pressure, but also creates a noticeable sense of lightness in the body, particularly during movement or after a long day. In addition, beetroot supports the formation of blood thanks to its folate and iron content. When the blood is well nourished, the change is reflected in your energy levels, not in a sudden surge, but in a more stable, sustained sense of vitality, without the lingering fatigue that often persists throughout the day. A deeper benefit, often overlooked, is its support for the brain. As circulation improves, more oxygen reaches the brain, helping to enhance concentration and slow the natural decline in cognitive function over time. Beetroot is not as gentle as leafy greens. It acts more like a foundational source of energy, quiet yet powerful, allowing the body to function more smoothly from within. And when combined with the previous vegetables, a clear system begins to emerge. Some nourish, some cleanse, and some keep the flow within the body moving freely. If you've made it this far, perhaps you're someone who truly cares about healing from within. And which of these have you already been using? Feel free to share in the comments. I'd really like to know. And don't forget to like and subscribe, so you won't miss the next parts. 6. Stevia. Stevia is a special plant because it provides natural sweetness. But unlike refined sugar, it allows the body to taste sweetness without taking in too much extra energy. The most notable part of stevia is its leaves. These leaves contain natural sweet compounds that are many times sweeter than regular sugar. Because of this, stevia is often used as a sugar substitute in tea, coffee, beverages, or certain foods that need to reduce sugar content. The greatest value of stevia is that it helps reduce dependence on refined sugar. For people who often drink sweet beverages, like sugary coffee, or crave something sweet after meals, stevia can be a gentler option. It helps preserve the familiar sweet taste while limiting the body's tendency to fall into a constant cycle of sugar cravings. Stevia is also often mentioned in diets for people who want to manage their weight or blood sugar. However, it is important to understand that stevia is not a medicine or a cure. It is only a supportive option that can help make the daily diet more balanced. If sugar is like a quick source of energy that can easily leave the body feeling tired afterward, then stevia is like a way to keep the sweetness, but in a lighter form. When used in moderation and chosen from a reliable source, stevia can help the body become less dependent on sugar every day. 7. Dandelion. Dandelion is one of the plants that acts directly on the body's internal cleansing processes, particularly the liver and kidneys. Its greatest strength lies in its ability to support liver detoxification. The natural compounds found in its roots and leaves help stimulate bile production, thereby improving digestion and encouraging the body to eliminate substances that have accumulated over time. As the liver begins to function more efficiently, you may clearly notice the change: a lighter body, less heaviness after meals, and a gradual reduction in that persistent, underlying fatigue. Beyond this, dandelion also has a mild diuretic effect, helping the kidneys eliminate toxins and reduce water retention. This becomes especially helpful when the body feels congested, prone to slight swelling, or lacking flexibility in daily movement. A less recognized aspect is its rich antioxidant content, which helps reduce inflammation and protect cells from the aging process. When used regularly, its effect does not come instantly, but rather as a gradual restoration of balance, allowing the body to return to a more stable, natural state. Dandelion does not offer immediate comfort. It is more like a process of internal clearing, slow, yet necessary for the body to function better over the long term. And when placed alongside the other plants, a clear system begins to emerge. Some nourish, some protect, and some cleanse, so that everything within can function smoothly each day. 8. Ivy does not act directly on the body in the way food does, yet it influences something just as essential: the way you breathe each day. Its most notable quality lies in its ability to help purify the air. Its leaves can absorb certain light pollutants from the environment, making your living space feel easier to breathe in. For older adults, this is particularly important, as the respiratory system becomes more sensitive over time to dust and enclosed air. Beyond its effect on the environment, ivy also contributes to easing mild respiratory discomfort, such as a light cough or a sense of heaviness in the chest. It is not a medicine, but when the surrounding air improves, the body is able to regulate itself more effectively and recover more easily. Another value lies in the way it transforms a space. Ivy can climb or cascade downwards, creating a soft, calming presence. This is not merely aesthetic, it has a direct influence on your state of mind, helping you feel more at ease in that space each day. Ivy does not heal in a direct way. It improves the very environment in which you live, breathe, and rest. And sometimes, it is precisely that environment which determines whether your body can truly recover or not. 9. Lemongrass. If you look back at all the plants mentioned so far, you may notice that each one acts on a specific part of the body. Yet lemongrass is unique in the way it connects multiple systems, from digestion and the nervous system to sleep. Its most evident benefit lies in its support for digestion. The natural essential oils in lemongrass help soothe the stomach, reduce bloating, and ease discomfort after meals. When the digestive system functions smoothly, the body begins to feel lighter, free from the lingering sluggishness that can follow. Yet its deeper effect lies within the nervous system. The scent of lemongrass has a gently calming quality, helping to ease tension and create a natural sense of comfort. This is not a strong intervention, but rather a subtle form of balance, allowing the mind to slow down without being forced. In addition, lemongrass supports mild detoxification, helping reduce the accumulation of toxins and contributing to immune support. With regular use, what you may notice is not a sudden change, but a more sustained sense of ease throughout the day. What is also worth noting is how easy it is to grow. Lemongrass thrives well in pots and requires very little care. And when you have a small cluster of it in your garden, you gain not only an ingredient to use, but also a gentle source of energy, one that nourishes the body while making the surrounding space feel more pleasant. Placed at the end, lemongrass reveals the full picture, from nourishment and protection to cleansing. And finally, balance, all of which can begin from a small garden. When you look back at these 9 plants, you may begin to realize something very simple. Healing is not about searching for something distant, but about returning to what is already close to you. A small garden, a few familiar pots, yet if chosen well, they can influence your body in ways that are far deeper than you might expect. It is not about immediate change, but about small shifts. Day by day, sleeping a little better, feeling a little lighter, becoming a little more at ease. And when those small changes begin to add up, the difference becomes unmistakable. So you do not need to grow them all. Simply begin with 2 or 3 that feel most suitable for you. And I'm quite curious. Out of these 9, how many are you familiar with? And which ones are you already using? Feel free to share in the comments so everyone can see. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the upcoming videos.